Movement. Movement keeps a viewer engaged on your YouTube video. Now, of course, you can do movement with your hands and stuff, but in this video, I want to show you different types of movement that you can add to keep people engaged with your videos and also to add that visual interest to keep people watching. So, are you ready? Hey go-getter, it's Salma Jafri. I'm the founder of YouTube Launchpad, the foundational course for growing your personal brand with video. If you want to increase your visibility, credibility, and profitability with YouTube, then hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon, and let's begin. Now I know what you're thinking, you're not a techie. How are you supposed to add movement and animations and effects and all of these things into your YouTube videos? Well, I'm gonna show you how to do some simple animations. Some of them might involve tools, some are really simple, right? So I'm gonna mix them all in, and then at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you where to go to get really, really affordable animations and video effects for your YouTube videos. And I use them a lot as well in my YouTube videos. So let's start. Now, movement is really important in your YouTube videos because apparently we have dwindling attention spans. And in order to keep people's visual interest, you kind of need to change up the scene every so often. So let's start off with animation or effect, shall we call them? Let's call it effect. So effect number one would be to cut away or to zoom in and out, right? So this is a really easy effect to do inside your editing software. You cut away and then suddenly you're close up, or you gradually zoom into your face or zoom out, either way. So this adds the feeling of movement. Another really easy one, which I employ a lot, is screencasting. So I often show something happening on my computer or on my phone. I record my screen. I've got lots of tutorials on how to record your screen, which I'll link to at the end, so watch out for that, and by clicking the eye up above here. Okay, so the other kind of effect that you can add are changing up your actual camera angles. So let's say I'm drawing something, right? So I could be talking to the camera, but then I'd actually show a different frame where you can see my hands actually drawing or writing or typing or sewing or whatever, right? So you want to keep adding that visual interest by showing different camera angles. The next one is transitions. So transitions can take up the entire screen. They could be in the form of an overlay, and they help to identify different sections of your video. So add transitions when you are helping people transition from one scene to the next. The next kind is sound effects. So you can use different kinds of sound effects to add that extra punch, audio punch, shall I say, to your videos, kind of like this. Next really easy one, and which I use pretty much in every single video, are lower thirds. Now, lower thirds, as the name suggests, are pieces of text or graphical elements or whatever that sit in the lower third, or if you divide your screen into three parts, then they sit in the bottom third part of your video. Now, this is a classic way to showcase information. So you want to put in important information such as your social media links or titles or important words in the lower third of your video. And it also builds that visual connection. So you're saying it, but you're also showing it. The next are text effects, and I'll show you where to go to get the text effects that I use in my videos. So oftentimes I'll have like a listicle or something. I'll show you like a list of topics, which will come right next to me. Again, builds that connection and adds that other, movement thing for the eye to catch on with and stay interested. Oh, this is one of my favorite ones, the subscribe and bell animation. I use this in all of my videos to show you where to go to subscribe and hit the bell. And this is actually a free animation that I made available to all my YouTube Launchpad course members. But you can build one by yourself or you can download one. Again, I'm going to show you where to go to get that. Another one that you can use absolutely for free are GIFs. You want to go to jiffy.com and download a GIF that adds a little bit of flavor to your video. So maybe you're talking about something that shocked you, so you can add a GIF that is an appropriate reaction to that, or something funny that you're talking about. So GIFs are a great way to really add a lot of flavor to your videos and make them a lot more enjoyable to watch. Other kinds of effects you can do are graphical elements and stock footage. You can add stock video, stock photos, and all of that. And now let me tell you where you can go to get all of these effects and animations for one of the most affordable affordable prices that I've seen. I'm talking $2, $5, $15, like really, really affordable. So the place to go is Envato, and I have a special link for you down in the description that you can use to go and see all of the different types of elements and the different types of effects that are available. I use them in all my videos. For example, my music is from Envato, my text effects are from Envato, a lot of my footage is from Envato sometimes. So I use this site a lot and I love it. So my question for you today is, what type of movement will you add in your next video? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and if you're wondering why add movement, then you want to watch this video that I'm going to link to right here in the end card on audience retention and how to keep viewers engaged longer and what are the benefits of that. So you want to go and watch that. I'll see you in the next video.